Hi, I'm Dan Miller, Senior Editor with Progressive Farmer Magazine. Today we're going to talk about one of the more common jobs around the farm, and that's hanging a gate. To walk us through the process is Alicia Hammond. She's our fencing expert today. Alicia, what are we going to do?
Well, first we're going to talk about the braces that we've already got installed, making sure that they're sturdy, and then we're going to talk about how to install the gate.
What's the string for?
Well, one of the first things we do is we set the string. That way we can get our line straight to set our post. Right here are the braces that I was talking about earlier. One of the first things, Dan, you want to do is to take in consideration the lay of the ground. You want to set the post on the high side of the ground to keep your gate from dragging.
What's this piece for?
This is our brace pole. This adds sturdiness to the fence and to the gate.
And what do you do with this?
This is our landscape spike. We use this to connect the brace pole.
We're about to snap a line. Why do we do that?
Well, first it's so that we can drill a hole and put our hinges in and make sure our gate is going to hang level.
And you're putting this line right down the center of the pole.
Exactly.
Okay, you ready to snap it?
Yep. Good job.
We've snapped that center line. Now what?
Well, now Gene, my husband's going to bring the gate in so that we can mark the post and drill the holes. Dan, will you help us with this gate real quick?
Sure.
So I can look at it, get
Sure.
it level, put a mark on the post so we can drill the holes for our hinges. Gene's now drilling the hole for the bottom hinge to establish where the hole will go on the top.
We've got two different kinds of hinges here. Besides the size difference, what is the difference between the two?
Well, this one comes with the gate, and this one is a little sturdier, and this is the one we're going to use. Our next step is to measure from the bottom of the bottom hinge to the top of the top hinge to establish our top hole. Next step is hanging the gate. As you'll notice, the top hinge is facing down. This adds for security so nobody can remove the gate off the hinges.
This type of hinge also makes it easier to level the gate. Now we're going to set the post for the other gate, right?
Right, and to do that, we're going to have, you're going to hold your side up like you're doing. Gene will hold his up. We'll get it level and make sure that our hole is drilled where it needs to be. It looks like it's going to be fine to set that post, and then we can go from there. To set the post, we pour the concrete in dry so we can tap it and get it tighter.
Well, we've hung the other half of this fence. Now what do we do? They're not exactly in alignment.
Well, this is where the adjustable hinges come in, and Gene's going to show us exactly how to do that. Now what I'll do is hold the gate up till it's level. Gene's going to tighten the bolt up. We'll stand back and look at it and see what we've got.
I'd like to thank Alicia and Gene Hammond for the work in putting up this gate today. They've been fencing for 18 years. Now you may have some ideas of your own, but we hope in the end that you can take some tips away from this project. If you're interested in this project and others, go to progressivefarmer.com, click on projects you can do.